Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Now again, if you guys are not part of pure structure trading, make sure you guys join us if you want to learn to find success in trading. We do have a promo going on with pure structure trading as well, so take a look at that. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, nice downward movement we had pretty much for the whole day. We caught some pretty big moves to the downside, and you can see we dropped even lower than our targets, coming down into somewhere around these 85 to about 84s, and you can see we have some targets down below. Now again, resistance 42.1175, above that 42.28 and 42.4675. Those are areas of resistance. You can see nicer zone up above that is going to be 68 to 70 as that resistance up above. Do want to see if the markets can come back down into 85 and then maybe even push a little bit lower, taking it through into our 41.56 and then 41.1675 as our next areas. So again, for those who want to try to fade it, that's where you're going to look for the bounces, either 56.75, 16.75, or even right here, right around these 84 to 85s. That's going to be the initial areas that you could look for it. But those who want to trend trade, looking out for the continued shorts, maybe in a breakdown and then a pullback and then a continuation lower from there. We'll see if we get that opportunity to do that for S&P as we draw into the London session. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold though. So gold, we are in a bit of a range, but you can see zooming in here a little bit, we got resistance 1995.5. We've bounced off that level, so want to see if maybe we get a nice push pull. We'll actually pull back here first and then a nice double top to push us down. Supports underneath 1981.5, 1971.1, and 1964, and then we got kind of wider movement from there. So those are going to be our closer support areas that we look at here on gold. Above that though, you can see 200 201.7 and then 208.4 is going to be the areas that we look for resistance up above. But right now you can see I'm looking for this resistance right here, 1995.1 or 0.5 to short right down into our support, 1981.5. So we'll see if we get that opportunity as we pull into the London session. Let's go ahead and take a look at crude oil. So pulling up the charts for crude oil, did want to see the market try to hold this level of 120.77, but didn't get that double top for a pull down deeper. So we are looking for this to try to come up either into 121.60 or next level 122.08 is the next area up above. So we could, I do want to see maybe right here 122.08. if we fail to get through that, that's going to be a nice shorting opportunity. But again, still bullish, so you want to keep that in mind for crude oil. Maybe a nice pullback here for support 120.77 and then a push into these 21.60s and then 22. So keep an eye out for that as we draw closer to the London session as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. Again, if you guys are going to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.